Okay, here is another great, easy side hustle.
First, you want to go over here to clickbank.com. Create an account, and then you want to go over here to affiliate marketing place. Then you want to go through the categories and pick which one you want to promote. If you find the category, you go through and it gives you all the options on the different products that you can promote. It shows you how much the commission are. Once you decide which one, you click the promote button and it gives you a link. Now you want to go over to pixel.com and find a photo that represents the type of product that you're promoting. I chose health and wellness. Then you want to take that photo, go over to Pinterest and create a pin. Put your description in and be sure and put the link for the product that you're promoting in the description. Then when somebody clicks on that pin and purchases that product, you receive a commission.
If you want to learn the program that I'm working on, click the link in my bio and I have a free ebook that shows you how to get started. And it shows you the course that I took, which is only $7. Take a look.